Hello, dear decorators, and welcome back to the channel. Christmas is the perfect time to make your home feel warm, inviting, and full of personality, and one of the best places to begin is right at the front door. Your front porch is the first impression of your home during the holiday season, so a few thoughtful decorations can make a big difference. But creating a beautiful Christmas porch is not about filling every corner with ornaments. The best results usually come from combining a few important elements, such as greenery, lighting, color, texture, and balanced proportions. Whether your entrance is large and spacious or small and simple, you can create a festive look that feels intentional and welcoming. So let's explore some Christmas front porch ideas and, more importantly, how to make them work together. Let's start with the front door because it is naturally the focal point of the entrance. A Christmas wreath is one of the easiest ways to transform a front door. Traditional evergreen wreaths with red berries, pine cones, ornaments, and ribbons create a classic holiday appearance. If you prefer a more elegant style, try frosted greenery, white accents, gold details, or a simple velvet ribbon. The color of your door should also influence your choice. Lighter decorations can stand out beautifully against a dark door, while deep green and red accents can create stronger contrast on a white or light-colored door. You don't always need to buy a new wreath. An old wreath can be refreshed simply by changing its ribbon, adding a few ornaments, or incorporating pine cones and seasonal greenery. Small changes can give familiar decorations a completely different appearance. Another beautiful idea is to frame the doorway with a Christmas garland. Greenery around the entrance adds volume and immediately creates a stronger seasonal feeling. Garland can be placed above the door, around the frame, along railings, or around porch columns. Instead of making every part perfectly symmetrical, allow some branches to extend naturally. This creates a softer and more organic appearance. You can add red bows, berries, pine cones, or ornaments to the garland, but try not to decorate every inch. Leaving some greenery visible will make the arrangement look more natural. Lighting is another essential part of a Christmas porch, especially once the sun goes down. Warm white string lights are a versatile choice because they create a cozy atmosphere and work with almost every decorating style. You can wrap them around garlands, railings, columns, or small trees. Consistency is important. Try to use lights with a similar tone throughout the porch so the entire entrance feels connected. You also don't need to illuminate every surface. A few carefully placed lights can create more atmosphere than excessive decoration. Lanterns are another simple way to add warmth. Place them beside the front door, near planters, or along the steps. Battery-powered or LED candles can provide a beautiful glow while being practical for outdoor decorating. If your porch has stairs, lanterns can also help emphasize the pathway toward the entrance. Just make sure they are positioned securely and don't interfere with people walking. Now let's bring in some Christmas trees. You don't need a full-size tree on your porch. Two smaller trees placed on opposite sides of the front door can create a balanced frame around the entrance. For a traditional appearance, decorate them with red ornaments and warm lights. For a more natural look, use only lights and a simple ribbon. On a small porch, tabletop trees can create the same Christmas feeling without taking up too much space. Planters are another excellent opportunity for seasonal decoration. If you already have planters near the entrance, transform them rather than replacing them. Add evergreen branches, pine cones, berries, decorative twigs, or weather-resistant ornaments. The existing planter provides structure, while the Christmas greenery adds the seasonal character. For a rustic porch, natural materials are especially effective. Wooden crates, baskets, pine cones, galvanized containers, and evergreen branches can create a cozy countryside feeling. One of the best techniques for this style is to use different heights. Place a tall lantern behind a basket of greenery and add a smaller object in front. This creates depth and makes the arrangement more interesting. Decorative boxes wrapped like Christmas presents can also be used to add height and a playful holiday touch. If you prefer an elegant porch, simplicity can be your greatest advantage. Choose a limited color palette such as white and gold, silver and green, or cream and champagne. When there are fewer colors, the different textures become more noticeable. Velvet ribbons, frosted branches, metallic ornaments, and glass lanterns can create a sophisticated appearance without requiring dozens of decorations. Modern Christmas decorating can follow the same principle. Instead of filling the porch with many small objects, choose a few larger pieces with clean shapes. An oversized wreath, simple planters, modern lanterns, and warm lighting can create a stylish entrance without making the space feel crowded. On the other hand, if you love colorful and playful Christmas decorations, don't be afraid to have fun. Oversized ornaments, colorful ribbons, Santa figures, candy-inspired decorations, and cheerful signs can create a joyful family-friendly porch. The key is to give the decorations something in common. Similar colors or repeated materials can make even a very playful design feel organized. A Christmas doormat is a small detail, but because it sits directly in front of the door, it naturally becomes part of the composition. Choose one that works with the colors and style of your wreath and other decorations. You can also place a smaller Christmas mat over a larger outdoor rug. This creates additional texture and makes the entrance feel more finished. Plaid, striped, or neutral rugs can work particularly well during the holiday season. If you have a bench on your porch, add a few seasonal pillows or an outdoor safe cushion. This can make the entrance feel warmer and more comfortable. Before you finish, step back and look at the porch from the street or driveway. This is one of the easiest ways to identify problems with balance. Maybe the wreath is too small for the door, one side of the entrance looks heavier than the other, or a particular decoration is competing for attention. Seeing the porch from a distance helps you evaluate it as one complete composition instead of a collection of individual objects. Scale is particularly important. Large doors need decorations that can be seen from a distance, while small entrances usually look better with fewer and more appropriately sized pieces. You should also consider the weather. Outdoor decorations need to withstand conditions such as wind, rain, snow, humidity, and sunlight. Choose outdoor-rated products whenever possible and secure lightweight decorations so they don't become damaged or create hazards. The same applies to Christmas lights. Use outdoor-rated lighting and extension cords, protect electrical connections from moisture, and keep cables away from walking paths. And remember, you don't need to spend a lot of money to create a beautiful Christmas porch. Reuse decorations from previous years, make your own bows, collect pine cones, repurpose baskets, and combine affordable greenery with a few statement pieces. Sometimes, simply rearranging decorations you already own can create a completely different look. A useful way to organize the entire design is to think in 3 layers. First, establish the greenery. This gives the porch its Christmas foundation. Second, add lighting. This creates warmth and makes the decorations beautiful during the evening. Finally, add your decorative accents, such as ribbons, ornaments, lanterns, planters, signs, or seasonal figures. Working in this order helps you avoid adding too much too quickly and gives every element a clear purpose. Most importantly, your Christmas porch should reflect your personal style. Maybe you love the traditional combination of red, green, and gold. Perhaps you prefer a peaceful winter look with white lights and natural textures. Or maybe you want a colorful entrance filled with playful decorations that make your family smile. There is no single correct way to decorate for Christmas. The best porch is one that works with your home's architecture, fits your available space, and creates the atmosphere you want. So before you begin, take a good look at your entrance. Choose a color palette, decide what you want the focal point to be, and start with your largest elements. Then gradually add smaller details until the space feels complete. With thoughtful planning, even a simple front porch can become one of the most beautiful parts of your Christmas home. Thank you so much for spending this time with me, dear decorators. I hope these Christmas front porch ideas inspire you to create an entrance that feels festive, warm, and uniquely yours. Take the ideas that fit your home, adapt them to your own style, and enjoy the decorating process. Merry Christmas, happy decorating, and I'll see you in the next video.